morning children. Yesterday we started the unit, the fundamental unit of life, and we have discussed till why the cell is called fundamental unit of life. Let me just recall and then we can continue. Cell is called fundamental, structural and functional unit of life because each cell has got its own structure and it is possible to perform its function. Hence, our cell is called fundamental, structural and functional unit of life. The components that are present in the cell, we call them as organelles. I repeat, organelles means the components that are present in a cell. Today, let us take up about the organelles of the cell. The cell organelles can be studied under three main headings. A cell has three main important parts. So, the three main important parts of a cell are plasma membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus. So, the three main components of the cell can be divided in this way: plasma membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. Today, let me introduce about plasma membrane. Now, let us discuss about plasma membrane. For this, I will just draw a rough diagram of a cell. I have drawn one rough diagram of a cell. Now, the outermost layer of the cell, it is called plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is also called a cell membrane also. Now, the plasma membrane, it has its own structure. It is made up of lipids and also proteins. One more important special feature of plasma membrane is it is called a selectively permeable membrane. It is called selectively permeable membrane because it allows only certain substances to pass in and to pass out. So, which are the substances the plasma membrane will allow to enter in means like carbohydrates and sugar, proteins and fats and amino acids. So, these substances can pass through the plasma membrane, and the substances which will go out of the cell means the waste substances like carbon dioxide, water, etc. Now, the plasma membrane also separates the cell contents from the external environment. Now, let us know how there is the movement of these substances from external medium. You have learned in 9th standard already about a process called diffusion. So, let me demonstrate how this diffusion takes place. I have just taken little water and let me add a dye to it. I am adding dye. So the color dye is spreading gradually to the entire liquid. So here there is the movement of molecules from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration. So diffusion, it plays an important role in the activity of the cell. Now let us take another example how there is the diffusion of these gases, like for example carbon dioxide and oxygen. So carbon dioxide, if carbon dioxide has to enter inside, if carbon dioxide has to go out of the cell, what happens is during the process of respiration, we say carbon dioxide is released, and inside the cell the amount of carbon dioxide is more when compared to the external medium. Hence carbon dioxide will go out of the cell. Similarly, how oxygen can diffuse into the body of the cell means in the external medium the concentration of oxygen is more than the content inside the cell. Therefore, oxygen can diffuse directly into the cell. So, this is how carbon dioxide and oxygen can be diffused into the cell. Now, there is another important process by which the plants have to absorb water from the soil. Now, let us see how this process of osmosis takes place in the plant. So, osmosis, we say osmosis is another important physical process in the plant wherein there is the movement of solvent molecules from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. So, semi-permeable membrane is very important for the process of osmosis to happen. Now, let me show you how there is the reaction of the cell with reference to the different concentration of the solution that is present. For example, now I am going to show you one seed. This is the normal seed. Suppose the same seed is put in water for few hours. Now, I have already soaked and brought for the convenience. So, this is the seed which is swollen. Now, here the process that happens is whenever there is more water molecules, we say the water molecules will pass through the seed and the cell, inside the cell the water content is less, therefore the concentration gradient is maintained, and hence we say the seed will get swollen up like this. So for the seed to get swollen up like this, the type of solution that we observe here is, it is called hypotonic solution. So in a cell medium, hypotonic solution means outside the body of the cell, the water content will be more when compared to inside. So, very easily through the plasma membrane, the water can enter inside and it can make the cell to blow up. Then, the cell is exposed to another type of solution. Hypertonic solution refers to here the concentration of the inside the cell, the concentration will be more highly concentrated, and there is highly concentrated solution outside than the cells are. Cells are means inside the cell there is one structure called vacuole. In that vacuole there will be cells are. This concentration is less when suppose it is outside, the concentration is more. Therefore, instead of the movement of molecules of water from outside, the cell is going to lose its water. When the cell loses its water, it see, you can understand that there is difference here. First one, it is because of osmosis it is swollen. The second one, it has shrunk here. The seed has shrunk because the seed is going to lose the water from the cell. So, such a solution is called hypertonic solution. Then, one more is there, isotonic. Isotonic solution means, iso means similar. So, the external medium and internal medium, in both the places, the concentration will be same. So, when the concentration is same, there is neither the cell gets water nor the cell loses water. So, it remains the same. So, these things, it will be happening in the cell. So, plasma membrane, it is mainly responsible for allowing the substances to get in and move out of the cell. Then we say the plasma membrane is also very flexible. Because it is very flexible, it is helpful in some organisms like amoeba. I give you what is the importance of this flexibility of plasma membrane in amoeba. Now you have learned amoeba is a unicellular organism. That single cell, it has to perform all its life activities. So in case of amoeba, the cell membrane itself, in some regions, it has got some projections like, and these projections are called pseudopodia, and through the pseudopodia, the amoeba is able to engulf the food particle. So when it engulfs the food particle, it can get its food, and this process is called endocytosis. Endocytosis means it is one mechanism for amoeba to get its food. Now, let us move on. So, this is with reference to plasma membrane. Now, let us move on to another important structure which is seen in the plant cell outside the plasma membrane. So, there is an outermost layer in the cell, in the plant cell. This outermost layer, it is called cell wall. So, cell wall is the outermost layer in a plant cell, and the cell wall will form the boundary of the plant cell. That people generally say the cell wall is like a soldier for the cell, plant cell, because it is going to protect all those organelles that are inside the cell. And the cell wall is also porous. Because it is porous, it can allow materials to come in and materials to go out of the cell. Now, this is with reference to cell wall. Now, there is another important process in the plant cell. Sometimes, due to some disturbances, the cell there are chances that the cell membrane, the entire content of the cell can get shrunken. Why this happens means when outside medium is highly concentrated, then during that time osmosis cannot take place. Therefore, the cell is going to lose its water. Hence, the entire cell will become shrunken. Now, this process is called plasmolysis. So, plasmolysis is a condition in which the cell contents will lose their water content, so the entire cell will be shrunken. Plasmolysis condition, actually it is dangerous for the cell, because many components will lose the water content, so that the cell will be unable to perform its function.